It feels good to ride in my wheelchair and cross the street and just go somewhere. It really has warmed up. It was cold this morning. So I went to the ortho. I feel like I'm living life when I can go someplace and my knees don't hurt and and I can just enjoy life. But I tell you one thing, I know I am a food addict because every place I want to go got something to do with some food. But the good thing about it is that Publix has flowers, and I really don't need anything. I need a little cash, but I'm going to try to hold on and see if I can't make it with the cash I have in my pocketbook. And you look nice. You're welcome. And get some cash later. Or I might get some cash now, who knows? But I'm definitely going to look at the flowers that they have. That for sure is what I'm going to look at. Because I have my lunch with me, but I just ate my breakfast. Uh-oh, the cup flew away. Now I'm a little bug. So, comment down below if you love Publix. I love Publix. Publix is mighty. I'm glad Publix came to Clarksville. Oh, okay, that's an interesting. That sun feels so good. I may just go ahead and look at the flowers and come back and bask in the sun. Woo! I got my fruit. I got my. Oh, you know what I need? First, let me look at the flowers. I need some more deli meat or more chicken salad. That's what I really need. Some more chicken salad. I don't remember where it's at. It's somewhere over here in the deli. That's what I need. So I am going to get some. I have another thing of garlic in the hummus, and I need some chicken salad. I need some mini cucumbers. That's what I need. So let's see if I can find that. These are all dips. Dip, baby. Come on, dip, baby, dip. That's spinach and artichoke. It is $6. Well, we don't need no $6 worth. The spinach, the chicken salad, it costs $5 as it is, $4 and something. I need some heat, so I got to get out of here so I can get me some heat. So here we go, sweet coleslaw, potato salad, chicken salad, ham salad, classic chicken salad.
Well, usually you can, like these are dressing is separate, kind of pick.
Deviled eggs. This little bitty thing is
What kind of salad
$5.29. But guess what? I'm gonna buy it because I need it. So that's why I'm gonna buy it. And I'm gonna get some mini peppers, mini cucumbers, and mini cucumbers. I love them. I'm gonna get 2 of them. So I have 1 banana. Oh, I'm going to try out this, not today, but I'm going to try out this spaghetti squash. I'm going to try it out. Butternut squash. Okay. I'm going to try it out. Right now, I'm going to give me some mini cucumbers. I'm going to show y'all what else I'm going to try out. At the other Publix, they got a whole lot of food already cut up. And all you have to do is just grab it and cook it. Okay, I don't see it. But every Publix is a little different. So, but yes, those, I have just noticed those mini cucumbers. Baby, this right here is the spice of life. If you make this fresh food section your friends, you can't go wrong. I'm going to try out the eggplant too. See that eggplant? I'm going to try out the eggplant too. So, where are the mini cucumbers? Oh, there they are right there. I'm gonna get 2 of them because baby, I can eat a whole one of these in one setting. So it's $3.99. Guess what? It's worth it. My health is worth me eating. See, look at these. It's teeny cucumbers. I'm gonna get 2 of them because I can eat these in one setting. That's what I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now I like these peppers too. But oh, they buy one get one free. You just can't go wrong. But I'm going to take some time and eat the beans that I have in my house already. But I need like something quick that I can eat. Oh yeah, see how they have all of these food already ready to serve? All of those. I gotta ask my coach if I can eat beets, because that's sliced beets right there. And that's stuffed baby portobello mushrooms. So that'll make it a little bit easier for me. And so that's fine with me. Fine with me. Hello, how are you? Hello, good, how are you? I'm okay. Good. Okay. And so, yes, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna, oh, look at that fly boy. Okay, I'm gonna get by you. Okay. Excuse me, Mr. Man.
Yeah.
I would appreciate a bigger container of chicken salad.
They don't make them.
I know. Go back there and slice it up, cut the chicken up, and rotisserie up and fix it for me.
I can do that.
Okay,
I charge
yeah.
triple though.
He gonna pay for it.
Okay.
Yeah,
He does
but
make
this
all
is
that.
a game changer. I love these teams. I just noticed these.
Okay.
I'm about that game. I'm about this life. I can eat one of these and wholesale. I'm about that life. Appreciate that.
Bigger chicken salad, I got you.
Bigger chicken salad. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm gonna buy it. Thank you. I appreciate y'all. Okay. Let's see what kind of flowers they have. Oh, they're so lovely. One of the ladies at the center, she learned how to make fake flowers look real. Oh, that's so pretty. That's $14. Oh, Lord. But they don't have a sale. They're a little low right now. They don't have a sale. They don't have no. They use all kind of stuff for you. But anywho, let me tell you what I like. See them pancakes right there? I don't eat syrup. But I really like pancakes. I'm just got something else I like. I really like Cheerios, but I don't really eat no Cheerios. But I really like it. Maybe when I get down to 250 pounds, I can eat I don't know, maybe I can eat Cheerios again. But for now, I don't eat Cheerios. Oh, look at this, y'all. Oh, me and Lil Debbie, we used to have, me and Mrs. Debbie got a thing. We used to have a thing going on. But I don't eat Lil Debbie cakes no more, okay? Me and Cheetos used to have a thing going on. I don't eat Cheetos no more. Me and all this candy used to have a thing going on. I don't eat this no more. Me and all the Red Hots, Milk Duds, Whoppers, we used to have a thing going on. Me and Lemon Heads used to have a thing. Me and what you said, Mike and Ike, we used to have a thing going on. But I don't eat that no more. No ma'am, not me, not I. Me and Capri Suns, we used to have a thing going on. I don't eat that no more because that's fake food. And I don't eat fake food, not no more. Hey, but what I do eat is popcorn, but me and popcorn, we might have to separate. Separate. Da-da-da-da. Separate. Da-da-da-da. Separate. But right now, I'm going to eat these cucumbers. And that's what we're going to eat. Okay? And it feels good. Yeah. It feels good. Hello. Sure feels good to me. Feels good to you, baby. Let me hear you say, I eat cucumbers and chicken salad. Because we got a thing going on.
See? You got
Me and cucumbers got a thing going on. So thank y'all for riding with me over here. And let me know what makes you feel good, honey. How you doing? Okay. Are you changing your life for the better? All right, then. Well, have a good one. Hello. Good, how are you? Good.